Hey there, my name is Lovey and I'm so excited to share a little bit with you about my experience with Rongrong and the products that she has. Really, I found Rongrong when she was doing a collaboration for planner stickers and planner supplies with a different planner company, and was immediately taken by them because the dolls that were there looked like me. There were Black girls, there were Asian girls, there were just girls of different skin tones and styles, and it just was so beautiful. I'd never seen anything like it, and so of course I had to have everything from that line. The artwork is just beautiful. There's details that are very finite and it just makes it all beautiful. So that's probably what attracts me the most to the products. They just look like me. They look like the everyday person. When I, started I started planning, and of course everybody uses stickers and stuff, and I was using stickers and things like that. So it was cool, to do that. But like after seeing the dolls that Rongrong has provided, I just want to use all of those. So I have actually purchased so many things from Rongrong at this point. Like anything that she makes, I'm purchasing it because it's beautiful. Like I also love leopard print. I don't know if you can see anything behind me, but everything is basically leopard print. So this is one of my favorite books. I also have these two larger books as well. I have just about everything from the collaboration that Rongrong did, which is where I found her. And then there's a lot of things that Rongrong is coming out with in the future. And so like anything that she does, I want to purchase. I want it in, my, planner supplies because I want to be able to use it. So again, before I, would just, plan with my stickers and things like that. But like after all of her supplies have just taken it up for a notch for me. It just made it even more beautiful and even more representative of me as a person or who I am and what I look like, because that's what she produces. I think, more of my experience, I just love to share my spreads. I love to share what I'm using. And so I'm using all of the things Rongrong in just about every single spread that I do. And so I want that to be helpful to people to be able to get Rongrong's name out there a little bit more in the planner community. It's just taken my mentality and my attitude up a notch to see these beautiful women who look like me on these stickers. So if I would say for anybody who's thinking about, purchasing anything Rongrong, whether that's stickers, washi tape, or whether that's home goods that are in, these various, craft stores, do it. If you're looking for someone or some things that look like you, that are representative of who you are, Rongrong is that person, and her supplies, they do that for you. So I would encourage anyone to really take the opportunity to buy anything that Rongrong makes. And it's good quality and it just makes you feel good. So if you're on the fence about that, take my advice and make the purchase. Bye.